Hello, welcome to BAi. Today we're going to show you how to do an applique with our embroidery machine. The instruction will be showing at the bottom of this video. Please click the link to follow us and see more. Let's get it rolling if you are ready. First, we need to get tools prepared for this embroidery job. We need a garment embroidery frame, t-shirt, and the materials for applique, such as leather, felt, or other fabric, and so on. And the backing paper, trimmer, and stabilizing agent, and your pattern. In this video, we use our garment embroidery frame to fix this felt on a t-shirt. When we are preparing the pattern of this embroidery job, if it is designed by a digitizer, you need to tell him this pattern is used for applique. If you designed this pattern on your own, you need to choose patterns of the design. The first pattern is used as an outline of your fabric. The needle route of the design should be single line, and another pattern should be a complete picture. And you need to copy the outline of your first layer to cover it, and then finish the rest of your design. And now we need to fix this felt to the garment embroidery frame. You can use some other fabrics such as leather, and today we're using this felt and put it on top of it, and then put this part on top of your felt and press. Okay, so preparation work is done, and the next step we need to install this part to the machine. Next step, we need to put patterns into your machine. Click this one and click this one. Choose the pattern from USB. Press OK. Choose another pattern and then press OK. That is done. You can see your pattern is already on your machine. Next step, we need to install this frame to the machine. Next step, we need to operate on our touch screen. First step, we need to choose the pattern. Press OK. And the next step, we need to enter the embroidery mode. Choose the color. And the next step, we need to start this pattern to check your needle cannot hit your frame. You can move your arrows on your screen, choose the embroidery position you want, like this. Set start to check again. And this position is I want to do embroidery, so the preparation work is done, and now we can start to embroidery the outline. Okay. Now we need to take the frame out from the machine. Okay, next step, we need to use this trimmer to cut your felt, this area. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Use your trimmer to cut your felt. Okay, next step, we need to prepare our t-shirt, the frame, the backing paper. Put them together under your t-shirt. And then put it on. Okay, and then you need to pour your fabric like this, pour it, and make this area is very smooth. When you pour it, you can press your frame to pull. And then tighten the screw. The preparation work is done. And now the preparation work of your t-shirt is done. And now put the t-shirt to the machine. Before you choose another pattern from the machine, you need to quit the last embroidery mode. So click this one and click OK. And now we need to choose another pattern from the machine. Click this and press OK. And now we need to enter the new embroidery mode. Click this one again. Embroidery mode on, yes, choose OK. And now we need to choose the set point center. Set point pointer, you can use these arrows to move it. And then click this one, set offset, this button, click it. And now we need to choose the color of this design. Click here, choose the color, first color, and click it again, and click this button, F1, F. You can see here, change to 1F. And now choose the other you want, and press OK. Now we can start to check the needle if it hit the frame. And you can move it to the position you want and start to check again. Press this button to start embroidery. When the first one color is done, the frame will automatically move to the offset point and stop. Next, we should use our stabilizing agent to stick field like this. And you need to wait 15 seconds. And the next step, we need to put this field on your t-shirt. Find the location and put it down. Be carefully. Okay, it's done. And you can from top and down to press this field. And now you can start again. Wish this video from us helps. If you are really satisfied with our content and if you are really into us, click the link down there to see more about us and contact us. That's it. Welcome to join us. Thank you.